Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Quezon City ang Sarangani 84-76. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jason Street sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Jerome Santos ng 12 points, Diaz 9 points, Bernabe 8 points, Havillonar 6 points, Ibanez 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Street ng 17 points, Conanan 10 points, Puray 9 points, De La Rosa 5 points, Santa Ana 2 points, Mosqueda 2 points, Joseph 1 point, Casino 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Sarangani, Malyari 22 points, RV Bringas 17 points, Gozom 8 points, Destacamento 3 points, Ket Jimenez 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Sunga ng 13 points, Calyano 7 points, Alves 4 points, Diputado 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Dinaig naman ng Pampanga ang Jinsan Warriors 76-73. Best player of the game si John Lloyd Clemente sa likod na kanyang 14 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Iguelos ng 12 points, Concepcion 11 points, Lalata 9 points, Palma 8 points, Armenion 3 points. Nag-ambag naman si Clemente ng 14 points, Alcoriza 6 points, Faondo 6 points, Binoya 4 points, Joshua De La Cruz 3 points. Para naman sa natalong Jinsan Warriors, Mark Cruz 32 points, Felix Aprico 4 points, Kyle Tolentino 4 points, Herota 3 points, Larry Rodriguez 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Anthony Bringas ng 10 points, Dionisio 8 points, Evangelista 5 points, Tambiling 3 points, Kosari 2 points, Yo 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ang Rizal ang Batangas 87-86. Best player of the game si Eric Camson sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 11 rebounds, 1 assist at 3 steals. Nagtala si Alday ng 12 points, Caballero 8 points, Balagtas 5 points, Eric Pili 0 point, Camson 25 points. Nag-ambag naman si Tolentino ng 11 points, Naive 10 points, Cañete 16 points. Para naman sa natalong Batangas, Ablaza 17 points, Valoria 12 points, De La Virgin 9 points, Ochia 5 points, Porter 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Levi Hernandez ng 22 points, Nel Cruz 9 points, Apinan 4 points, Panyamugan 3 points, Ighalo 3 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 22, 2025 na gaganapin sa Quezon Convention Center. Maglalaban ang Imos at Zamboanga alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Pangasinan at Ilagan Isabela alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutos naman ang Quezon Huskers at Binyan alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 21, 2025. Pampanga 3 wins 0 loss. Nueva Ecija 3 wins 0 loss. Abra 2 wins 1 loss. Pangasinan 2 wins 1 loss. Ilagan Isabela 2 wins 1 loss. Pasay 2 wins 1 loss, Quezon City 2 wins 1 loss, Caloocan 1 win 1 loss, Bataan 1 win 2 losses, Manila 1 win 2 losses, Valenzuela 1 win 2 losses, Bulacan 0 win 3 losses, Marikina 0 win 3 losses, Pasig 0 win 0 loss, San Juan 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 21, 2025. Rizal 3 wins 0 loss. Quezon Huskers 2 wins 0 loss. Zamboanga 2 wins 0 loss. Jinsan Warriors 2 wins 1 loss. Batangas 1 win 2 losses. Cebu 1 win 2 losses. Binyan 1 win 2 losses. Imos 1 win 2 losses, Mindoro 1 win 2 losses, Basilan 1 win 2 losses, Sarangani 0 win 4 losses. Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque parehong 0 win 0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.